the Global Ambassadors Bowl in China.
In China, we're gonna be in China when we do this.
I think we're gonna be in China.
And we'll be in China.
Alright.
Town.
Alright, tell the people what you got.
So guys, first of all, I got real Gucci.
Yeah, 100% real. 100% real. 100% real. This is 100% real. 100% real. I got me some Eazys right here. 100% real. You can tell by the quality. They're pretty good.
I'm wearing tomorrow.
Alright, what else? Got a Supreme t-shirt, also 100% real. What else? A Gucci t-shirt, 100% real. And what's up? I got blue AI jersey, also 100% authentic. I think he might even sign this one. I don't know if you guys see that. Yeah,
that's fake pizza.
We're gonna go do some karaoke. I'll see you guys after that. I mean, I guess you guys are gonna see how it goes. So let's get to it.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
That was day 4. I will catch you tomorrow, day 5, when we climb the Great Wall of China. So I will see you guys tomorrow. What we got today?
Alright, first of all, it's way too early. I mean, we could have took another hour of sleep and then got to the wall. Maybe cut the 8-hour trip down to like 4.
Actually, it's like 8 hours at the wall. That's 2 hours there.
8 hours at the wall, 2 hours there. We could have cut that to like 3. I don't want to do anything for 8 hours. Even if Jesus came down here, I'm not chilling with Jesus for 8 hours. Maybe 2.
That's ridiculous.
But I mean, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna see a lot of things there, like the wall. We're going to hiking like a little tour. We're hiking the tourist part and then like a hard part, right?
Yeah.
And like
I think we're doing the tourist first, and then going to the hard part.
The hard part. So about 6 hours in, I'll probably jump off the side of the wall.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're doing that, and then we're eating there, and then we're coming back. That's pretty much it. We got bodies everywhere.
4 down.
We keep eating at a restaurant. We keep eating at the same restaurant that keeps getting us sick. But we'll probably eat there tonight again.
That makes sense, though. That makes sense.
To get sick. But no, yeah, there's a couple of guys sick, a couple of bodies, but we'll make it through. We'll make it through, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's all fun. We're in China. Who cares?
Yeah. So we're going to the Great Wall. It's currently, I think, what time is it? Like 5:30. 5:30 in the morning. 5:31. Okay, I was wrong. 5:31 in the morning. So it's an early day indeed. But we got 2 hours to the wall. So that's what we're gonna do over the next 2 hours, and then we're gonna spend 8 hours there, as Skinner said. Man, I'm looking really small today. I'm definitely losing weight here. Like, wow. Are you losing weight?
I think I'm gaining weight or maintaining weight.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Either that or all my.
I'm tired.
My muscles dying off, fat's going off.
Man, I'm getting skinny, man. I think I'm returning to high school, me, bro. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna take a nap because I'm still super tired. Before this great walk, we have a long hike, 4 hours up, 4 hours down. We're going to the hard part after the tourist part, so. But it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a great time, and I'm going to finally put the drone up so you guys can get some drone shots of the Great Wall. But otherwise, I'm gonna take this nap, so I will see you guys at the Great Wall. Oh, you want it? Parker wants it. Oh, you gotta go all the way, all the way, all the way.
2 hours later.
All right, we are now headed to the Great Wall. Well, technically we're here, but we're walking to the Great Wall. It's about 5-10 minutes away. Yeah, as I said before, we got about 8 hours. Kate, how you feeling about this?
I'm so excited. I got 2 Subway 6-inch sandwiches, 7 water bottles, and I'm ready to go.
Oh yeah, so we don't get this busy. I might not vlog while we're walking as much because there's a lot of hilly and just uphill, downhill. It's like climbing a mountain pretty much. But I will do check-ins every couple hours or so just to see if my heart's still beating and whatnot. So, but in other words, I'm gonna hike this Great Wall of China. So I don't know, what should they do while we're hiking before the first check-in? Or actually, I'll just take shots. You guys are gonna watch these shots that I take on the way, and then we'll check in like every 2 hours. How about that? That works. We'll do that. All right. See you guys. How you doing?
So first of all, never been on the Great Wall. It's not a wall.
Yeah.
It's not. It's a decent wall. It's a subpar wall. Honestly, as you can see, there's no walls next to me, like they said there would be.
See, this is what he's talking about. There are no railings up there. We are so high. My house, it's over there somewhere. But we are so high.
The thing is, you don't even need the wall because no one's coming up.
Oh, no. Karen, how's your hike going?
You know what? It's going really well. I'm pretty sure-footed, so that's been helpful.
That's good.
We've made it, I think, about 2 hours in now, maybe? Or about a fourth of the way done. I know that. I'm in good spirits. The breeze feels incredible.
Yes.
We've really covered some ground so you can see all the different mountains from different angles, which has just been like breathtaking, to be honest. Super cool. Once that's our experience, ask me again in 6 hours, we'll find out how I feel.
How we doing?
What up, Eazy gang?
Hey.
What up?
What up? Hey, Talbot, how's your hike been going?
Man, I'm out here living life, man. Living life like I'm golden, you know? I'm walking on sunshine right now, man. We in China on the Great Wall with my teammates, you know, drinking H2O.
I feel that. I hear you're vlogging. Where you, go ahead and plug where you're posting your vlogs at.
Man, I'm gonna post it on Twitter, YouTube. Follow me at jam_pro, you know, on everything, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Follow me at jbutler15. You know, I'm gonna be posting there soon, so stay tuned. Y'all.
Got you. Is that Clark?
How's it going, bro?
How's your hike going, man?
Man, I tell you what, some of those steep hills, and
Got a little dust in my
they were a
eyes.
lot of fun. But I don't know, I couldn't be with a better group of guys than the guys we got right here, bro.
What's up?
How's your hike going, bro?
It's going great, man. The views are amazing.
That's awesome.
Pictures don't do it justice, but it's all absolutely beautiful.
So true.
It's awesome.
I would say we're definitely at the nicer part of the wall, guys. Oh yeah. Gosh, I've been wanting to put the drone up, but apparently there's military stuff, so I think I'm gonna try to. If I get a chance, I'm gonna put it up. He said there's a spot I might be able to put it up, so I'll definitely put it up there if I can. I don't know, but this place is really nice. Getting to the top of these stairs.
A lot of stairs.
This is a mission.
Flights.
Yeah. Hey JB, give us a little update on how the hike is going.
Move out the people's way, you know. You know me. He's gonna move all them cameras. My camera ain't going too well because he in my way. Like a big lunar eclipse. But anyway, still going good, man. You know, all this oxygen and nature and all that good stuff is out here, yeah. And I'm having a good time. Tim is in the background. I know you guys can't see him, but that's my man right there. He's trying to survive. I do, man.
You're my guy. You're my guy.
Drew Lauer,
how's your hike going so far?
This is honestly the craziest thing that I have ever done. Like, what's the word that you were using?
Remarkable.
Just truly remarkable. Everything going on here. It's so cool.
This is insane.
And I got Subway.
Ah,
You got Subway!
Subway on the Great Wall.
Subway delivery.
How many people can say they did that? Not very many.
Not very many at all.
Hour 69, we out here. About to get some popsicles, water.
True.
Along. Man, it's been hell of a day.
Yeah, this is what I expected. But parts you guys didn't see, or maybe I did show you, I don't know yet. I haven't edited it yet. But part you guys didn't see is we hiked through the forest / the jungle. We might have been in Mongolia, I don't know, we probably were. But we're now on the nicest part of the wall, as I said before. But this is what we're looking at.
Oh boy, this is pretty.
Check this out. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Yeah, we are almost
Easy on my neck.
Getting that popsicle.
Heck yeah, we're so close to the popsicles. About 5 minutes to the 6 hour point.
Hey, listen, man. Plug it back in, bro.
Yeah, what did I just say? About 5 minutes from the 6 hour point. I think that's where I'm gonna throw the drone up and get some super epic shots of this wall, because this camera, as said before by many people, is just simply not doing this place justice. So I'll see you guys once we get to the 6 hour point.
A few moments later.
Okay, well, we're here, 6 hour point. I'm gonna put this up in the air so you guys can really take in what we're seeing, all right?
More than that.
Everyone's facing. That was. So Drew, we've decided to continue and do 2 more hours.
Yeah.
How are you feeling right now?
So I guess so. We got some good gravel. We got some good stones right now. We're rolling on dirt.
I just drift, yeah. Oh, I just tripped again.
Okay, no, we're good.
I'm good, okay.
We get some flat surface, so that's better. I feel like it's a lot of upstairs kind of action. I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired too.
But
that's why I'm having other people do the talking. I'm just like, hey.
Yeah.
I'm winded.
I got Will and Tom here, so we're all just
how are you guys feeling?
Oh, the quads are burning.
Oh yeah, I feel that. Try not to trip up these stairs, guys.
Smell it.
You smell it? Oh god.
What happened right here?
We're gonna continue these 2 hours. My heart's still pumping. I'm thriving and I'm surviving. That's the only key.
Mongolia, here we come.
Yeah, Mongolia. Here we go. Oh Jesus, tripped again. Here we go. What do we just do?
We just hiked like 40,000 miles or something. I don't know.
It was long.
It was long.
time.
A lot of stairs.
Yeah, a lot of stairs.
was the fastest and hardest working.
That is a lie, my friend. He did fly.
It was fun.
Hardest working. But yeah, we just hiked the Great Wall of China. My camera's about to die, so I'll probably switch to my iPhone. But I think we're eating dinner after this.
Finally.
We're tired. We need lots of cold water. It's either this camera's even getting heavy for me holding it like this. So, but we're gonna go to dinner. We'll see you guys there. That's where we'll ask a bunch of people how their hike went. So, 8 hours later, we're still thriving and surviving.
Even more energy now, actually, I'd say.
20 minutes later.
Hey yo, Alex and Terry. How was your hike today? How was y'all's hike?
Who talked to?
You too.
It was smooth, a little bumpy times, a little slick, but
Terry's a trained professional.
good experience. Wasn't too bad. It was fun though.
Cool.
Once in a lifetime views. It was treacherous. We stuck together, fought through. We banded together like brothers. Yes, sir. We persevered.
For sure. We got water. Water, that's our saving grace right there. That stuff right there. Alright, tell us about that climb. You know what it is.
Man, I'll tell you what. The first 6 hours, pointless. Why? Like I was talking about earlier. Why didn't the walls come up a little bit higher? Like I literally could have took one step to the left and died in some places. I'll be honest with you. But all in all, it was pretty cool. It was real cool. I probably would never do that again. When I come back, I would just do the touristy part. Get off of there, but it was pretty cool experience. You know, I really enjoyed it all the way, even the treacherous part. Even though I complained a little bit, I enjoyed it. I slipped a couple times, saw my life flash from my eyes, but other than that, man, it was a pretty cool time. Your drone was dope.
Yeah, we got some good shots.
Yeah.
Definitely showed those to him. I'm done. I think I did. I mean, I haven't edited yet, but I probably will.
But future Aaron
Future Aaron's editing right now, and he hasn't let me know if he's put them in yet, so I don't know. I really don't know.
It's so funny you do like the future Aaron, like you're like, huh? Okay.
Hey, future Aaron, make sure you put those drone shots in there, just letting you know. Jeez. How was your hike, bud?
The hike was wild, man. That was like 8 hours of just stairs and a lot of wind, a lot of heat, a lot of smog, but it was a great day. We bonded together as brothers, and I think we made a great day out of it.
All right. In other words, I think we're going to go ahead and end this day. Into day 5,
add another
right?
one to that. Hey, add one.
James.
Add another person to that.
Day 5.
Skinner's dumbass.
It depends on if you count Wednesday.
I'm not counting Wednesday.
Okay, so Thursday.
What are you talking about? Because he said a number.
Yeah, it's day 5.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
So this thing is day 5. I will see you guys tomorrow, day 6.
You don't have to recount.
I'm gonna put this seat back.
Recount.
I'm gonna KO.
No, we don't. Recount. Somebody's missing. Recount. Someone's missing.
Day 6. See you later. We're currently walking into the place we're going at. It actually looks really cool in here. It kind of looks like the gardens back in Iowa. It's really, really windy in here. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh, it's just a fan. Whoops. But now we are here at the Olympic Village. No, not village. What do they just call it here? It's just like the Olympic, good zone. The Olympic zone. The Olympic Park. Okay, the 2008 Olympic Park.